For our next letter, we're going to make an M right in the center of the paper, right across the horizon line. So position your ruler towards the center, not too close to the H, but it can be as close as mine is, and draw a line about 3 inches tall that is completely vertical, that's half above and half below the horizon line. You can circle the top and bottom of this line if it helps, and then we're going to connect it to the left and right vanishing point, just like we did when we built the box for the H. If your line is about to go over another letter, like mine on the top left is, stop drawing, skip over the letter, come back out on the other side. Connect the top and bottom to the right-hand vanishing point as well. When you're done, you'll have a shape that looks like a diamond or a wall facing you. Now we want our letter to be on the right side, so we're going to make our right-hand edge further away from the starting line, and our left-hand edge will only be about a finger thickness away from our starting line. Because this box is on the horizon line, we don't have to draw a top or a bottom. That's it. The box is done. Now you should erase the extra lines going to the vanishing points, as well as where the horizon line crosses through the middle of the box. In that larger right-hand space, we're going to shape out an M that uses the edges of the box and the corners of the box to save us some work. So I put a V at the top and a mimicking V on the bottom with 2 straight legs. When it's done, trace over it in Sharpie so you can't accidentally erase it later. Since the M is smooth against the left-hand edge of the box, we can Sharpie that in as well. That's not going to change one bit. On the inside of the M, there are 3 corners that we need to mark, which will connect to the left vanishing point. One on the bottom, one in the middle, and one at the top. Each of these 3 lines will go to the Sharpie and then stop. Notice my ruler is still connected to the left vanishing point, but I only draw the beginning of the line. The ruler helps you to find the correct angle. With those 3 little edges drawn in, my M is done. I can Sharpie over everything that stays, erase all my extra lines that don't belong, and shade in the 3D edges to help emphasize the form.